Ever wonder what might happen if food became scarce tomorrow? How would you cope? As we navigate the turbulent waters of the 21st century, the specter of food shortages looms large. Unpredictable weather patterns, political unrest, and vulnerable global supply chains could disrupt our access to food, turning what was once a distant possibility into a potential reality. It's a daunting scenario, but don't fret. Preparation is key in navigating such uncertainties. The threat is real, but so are the solutions. Let's dig in. First off, stock up on non-perishable foods. Items like canned goods, rice, pasta, dried beans, and grains can be a lifeline when food is scarce. They've got extended shelf life, and they'll keep you nourished. Now imagine the satisfaction of biting into a tomato you've grown yourself. Starting a small garden, even in pots on your balcony, can supplement your food supply and reduce reliance on grocery stores. Learn preservation techniques like canning, freezing, and drying. Growing your own food and preserving it not only saves you in times of need, but also gives you control over what you eat. Next, consider supporting your local farmers. By choosing to buy from your neighborhood farm stand or local market, you're not just getting fresher, often tastier produce. You're also bolstering your community's economy, fostering resilience against disruptions in far-flung supply chains. And let's not forget about reducing food waste. Plan meals, store food correctly, and get creative with leftovers. These simple acts conserve vital resources and ensure that food isn't squandered. Remember, every little bit helps. Your choices make an impact. Diversifying your diet is not just healthy, it's smart. A variety of grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and proteins ensures nutritional adequacy, even when certain foods are scarce. Beyond the plate, learning to cook from scratch empowers you, turning basic ingredients into nourishing meals. It's also crucial to engage in community food initiatives, fostering resilience and food security. Stay informed about food issues too. Knowledge is power, particularly in times of uncertainty. In times of scarcity, knowledge and community are your best allies. To learn more about gardening and self-sustainability, check out the link in the description or visit bountifulhomestead.com today.